Well, hello. How are you doing? My name is Pastor Tyrone Street, and I am the pastor at Restoration Through Christ Ministries, and just wanted to send you an invite for January the 27th, where we will be hosting a prophetic workshop at our ministry, and we want to open that up to the public for you to come and to learn more about the prophetic. Our guest speakers are prophetess and pastors Janice and Donnell Goss. They are very, very anointed and talented and gifted in the prophetic. And so they are coming to teach us more about the prophetic gifts, the gifts of the Spirit. And so we want to open this up to you and issue an invitation. It is on 4282 Ponderosa Road, Sanford, North Carolina. The workshop lasts from 10 till 12. It is again open to the public, and we just hope to see you there. And we look forward to what God is going to do on Saturday. So with that being said, God bless you. And again, hope to see you there. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.